27, that is the could, do and could have done. So when can we use could do and could have done? You can see sometimes could is the past of can. Can be used in the present, whereas could can be used in the past. Listen, I can hear something. Can is here, so at present now.
લાઈટ આવે છે.
Listen is the past of listen. I could hear something past. So could is used here as a past and can is used here as a present. But could is not always past. We can see could is not always the past. We also use could for possible actions now or in the future, especially to make suggestions. When we want to make suggestions, we can use could. What shall we do tonight? What is our plan today? We could go to the cinema. What is the suggestion now? We could go to the cinema tonight. When you go to Paris next month, you could stay with Sarah. Yes, I suppose I could. Can is also possible in this sentence. We can go to the cinema. Could is less sure than can. When you are certain, when you are sure, you can use can. But when you are not sure 100%, when there is possibility only, we can use can, could instead of can. What shall we do tonight? We could go to the cinema. So here, possibility is there but not 100% sure. We also use could, not can, for actions that are not realistic. When the action is not realistic, when it is not sure action, we can use could. But when the action is sure, when the action is definitely going to happen, we can use can. For example, I am so tired today. I could sleep for a while. Not I can sleep for a week. Possibility is there, I am so tired, I am going to sleep for longer time. But whole week you are going to sleep, that is not. It means definitely. Compare can and could. I can stay with Sarah when I go to Paris. It is the realistic situation. You don't have any other options. Definitely you are going to stay with Sarah. You are compelled to stay there. You don't have option. Maybe I could stay with Sarah when I go to Paris. Possibility, but less sure. If you are going to get the better option, you are going to stay with the other person or in the hotel or another friends. But if you don't have the option, 100% you are going to stay with the Sarah. This is a wonderful place. I could stay here forever. Unrealistic situation. That is not realistic. We also use could, not can, to say that something is possible now or in the future. When something is possible at right now, at present moment now, or which is possible in the future, we can use could instead of can. The story could be true, but I don't think it is. Not can be true. There is no guarantee. People are, it means telling the story, by it means introducing his or her idea also, changing the, it means scenario of the story. So at that time, I don't know what time Lisa is coming. She could get here at any time. Possibility is there, but she may come, she may not come. When she is coming, there is no guarantee, certainty. If there is 100% sure, certain time, fixed time is there, you can use can there. The weather is nice now, but it could change later. Yes, weather is changing. The weather is now cloudy, weather is there, but after some time it is going to be sunny. We use could have done to talk about the past. Let's compare. I am so tired I could sleep for a week. Is present now. Now you are feeling, at the moment, at present you are feeling so tired. I was so tired, I could have slept for a week. It means about the past. Yesterday, last week, he was so tired, she was so tired. He or she wanted to sleep. The situation is bad, but it could be worse. Now, the situation is very difficult situation. It may be worse. In the future, it may be difficult. More miserable condition may arise. The situation was bad, but it could have been worse. In the past, situation was bad. She was sick, and the situation was worsening. It might be worsened in the past. Something could have happened, it was possible, but did not happen. When there is possibility, but it is not going to happen. Why did you stay at a hotel? You could have stayed with me. You have the possibility, you had the chance to stay with me. But why didn't you stay with me? Why did you stay in the hotel? David was lucky. He could have hurt himself when he fell, but he is upright. He is lucky one. I couldn't do something, it would not be possible. I couldn't live in a big city. I hate it. It wouldn't be possible for me because I don't have the capacity, I don't have the capability, or I hate the city life. Everything is fine right now. Things couldn't be better. What is the situation here? Now your earning is 30,000 per month. You are expecting next month it will be 40,000, 50,000. But there is no such kind of, it means chances, there is no such kind of possibility. Your situation is going to be better in the mid-season. For the past, we used could not have been possible. We had a really good holiday. It couldn't have been better in the past. Last week, you were in the holiday, you were enjoying the holiday, and you were expecting there might be the better, but the situation wasn't changed. The same thing, that position, that condition, that situation was good. For the past we could not have been possible. We had really a good holiday. It couldn't have been better. Note that I couldn't do something has two meanings. It has double meanings. First meaning, it would not be possible now. I would not be able to. It means sometimes you are going to get the responsibility, and the person who gave you the responsibility is expecting the better performance, and you are saying that I am giving my 100%, more than this is not possible. I was not able. I couldn't means it would not be possible. Another is I was not able to do. Last week, the teacher told you it means do the project work, it means within 2 days. 1 month's project work, how can you do in 2 days? It is not possible. I couldn't run study because I would have hurt my leg. I was not able. So this is the lesson. Now we have the exercise. Thank you very much.